In this session, we are going to learn how to assign relationships. Relationships are used to establish the logical sequence between activities and define how one activity is dependent on another. By assigning relationships, we can create an accurate project schedule and identify the critical path. The above image is easy to understand what is the relationship and how it's interconnected. For example, consider 3 activities: excavate foundation, reinforcement work, and concrete pouring. The reinforcement work can start only after the excavation activity is completed. Similarly, concrete pouring can begin only after the reinforcement work is finished. Primavera P6 provides 4 types of relationships. These relationship types were already explained in the introductory sessions of this course. If you need a refresh, please review those sessions before continuing here. Let's open the project and go to the activity window. First, add 3 activities. Rename them as excavation, reinforcement, concrete pouring. To create relationships, go to the bottom layout and select the Relationships tab. In this tab, you will find both predecessors and successors sections. To assign a successor relationship, select an activity. Click the Assign button. A pop-up window will appear. Select the successor activity and click Assign. Repeat the same process for the remaining activities. Once the relationships are assigned, you will notice that the activities are connected by arrows in the Gantt chart. Now, click Schedule and set the project date to This is one method of assigning relationships. To demonstrate another method, the connection has been removed and rescheduled it. Similarly, you can assign through predecessor or successor tabs, as demonstrating here. To show another method, the connection has been removed it again and rescheduled it. You can also assign relationships using the predecessor and successor buttons available on the right side of the toolbar, which is similar to the method we explained. To show another method, the connection has been removed it again and rescheduled it. An even easier method is select all the activities. Right-click and choose Link Activities. P6 will automatically create finish-to-start relationships between the selected activities. Now, let us look at different relationship types. Change the relationship type from finish to start for the selected activity. After scheduling the project, you will notice that both activities start at the same time. Now we can learn the concept of lag, used for delay the activity. Therefore, let us add a lag of 5 days. Schedule the project again. You will now see that the reinforcement activity starts 5 days after the start of the excavation activity. Next, select the relationship between reinforcement and concrete pouring and change it to finish. This means that both activities should finish on the same day. Now, add a lag of 10 days and schedule the project again. You will observe that the concrete pouring activity finishes 10 days after the completion of the reinforcement activity. This is how we assign relationships in Primavera P6 using different relationship types and lag values. Finally, change the relationship back to finish to start and schedule the project. If the lag value still exists, change the lag to 0 days and reschedule the project.